Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into something we see advertised a lot, AI credit repair.
Yeah, specifically that DIY tool, Dispute Beast.
Right, the big promise is it uses artificial intelligence, AI, to write these perfect dispute letters for negative stuff on your credit reports.
All three bureaus, supposedly. It sounds slick, like having a pocket financial partner.
But is it? Or is it, like our sources suggest, maybe just an overpriced, well, let's call it a subscription trap?
That's the mission today. Unpack whether this AI actually delivers value for the cost based on what we found.
So first off, the promise involves using AI to generate these letters across Experian, Equifax, TransUnion.
Sounds automated, efficient. But there's a catch right away, isn't there?
Yeah, it's marketed like you can just do it yourself, maybe implying free access somewhere. But no.
To get those AI letters generated, you have to sign up for their credit monitoring service, the Beast service,
And that's not cheap. It's $49.99 a month.
which, run the math. That's $600 a year.
For automated letter writing.
Yeah.
Seems steep.
It does. So the first question is, what tech are you actually getting for that $600?
Well, when you look past the AI label, the sources we reviewed basically call it glorified mail merge.
Mail merge, like just plugging your name and address into a template.
Pretty much. Taking your info, putting it into standard dispute templates.
Really?
These are the same kind of templates, apparently, that credit repair companies have used, sometimes successfully, sometimes not, for, well, decades.
Okay, so it's dressing up older tech with a fancy AI name. What about the company itself? Legitimacy.
They're based in Delaware, but interestingly, no Better Business Bureau accreditation. That's often a flag.
And Trustpilot, they do have a rating there.
They do, yeah.
Yeah.
A 4.4-star rating from over 400 reviews, which sounds good on the surface.
But a sense of but.
Well, our sources flag some patterns, things that look maybe like coordinated campaigns pushing those reviews up.
How so?
Reports of, frankly, impossible-sounding score increases, like someone claiming a 139-point jump after just the first dispute attempt.
Wow. Yeah, that doesn't really track with how credit scoring actually works, especially not that fast.
Exactly. So, okay, let's say the letters are generated quickly by this
Yeah.
mail merge AI. Why doesn't that guarantee removal or speed things up? What's stopping it?
Federal law. Simple as that. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, the FCRA.
Okay, the FCRA, what does it say?
It's really clear. You can only successfully dispute information that is genuinely inaccurate. A mistake.
Not just something you don't like seeing on your report.
Exactly. If you legitimately relate on a payment or a collection is valid, no amount of AI, no fancy letter, can legally force a bureau to remove it. That's just not how it works.
So the AI can't magically erase real debt.
Nope. And the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, constantly warns people about these quick credit fix promises for this very reason. Plus, there's the timeline issue.
Right. Even if the letter is perfect, it doesn't make the bureaus work faster.
No. The law gives the credit bureaus 30 days, typically, to investigate your dispute. That clock is set by Congress, not by Dispute Beast's software.
So paying $600 a year doesn't change that fundamental 30-day window.
Not one bit. Which brings us to their money-back guarantee. The sources called it weapons-grade manipulation. Strong words.
Okay, what's the deal with that?
Yeah.
They advertise 110% money back. Sounds great.
It does sound great, but the fine print is, well, tricky. You have to specifically opt in to the guarantee after you've already signed up.
Okay, an extra step.
And then you only qualify after a full year, and you have to meet certain criteria which aren't clearly defined up front.
After a whole year.
Yeah. Think about it. How many people even remember the exact terms of a subscription they started 12 months ago? It makes getting a refund incredibly difficult. It seems designed that way.
It does sound planned. And are people having other issues besides the cost and the guarantee?
Seems so.
Yeah.
Users report things like their accounts getting canceled really quickly, sometimes within 24 hours.
Huh.
Unclear, but also reports of unresponsive customer service when issues come up, and then price hikes for follow-up disputes.
So that initial $50 fee can suddenly become hundreds more if you want to keep trying.
Apparently, yes. It turns into a cycle.
So the real path to better credit isn't a quick AI fix then?
Not according to the experts or the law, no. Real improvement comes from, the harder stuff. Paying down your balances consistently, disputing only the items that are actually inaccurate in just time, letting that 30-day investigation period play out.
Okay, let's summarize this for you listening. Key takeaway 1. The AI seems to be mostly standard mail merge filling templates.
Key takeaway too, that hefty $600 annual cost is pretty ineffective against legitimate negative items because the investigation timeline is fixed by law anyway.
So what should people do instead if they need help?
Skip these premium subscription things. The sources point towards free, reliable alternatives. Start with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB. They have great resources.
Okay, the CFPB. Any others?
Yeah, or look into established nonprofit credit counseling services. They can offer guidance without the huge price tag and questionable promises.
Makes sense. All right, here's a final thought for you to chew on. We know the credit reporting investigation period is fixed, usually 30 days, by federal law. Nothing can speed that up.
Right.
So why do so many people keep buying into these expensive premium subscriptions that promise some kind of faster, high-tech solution? What makes that promise so appealing?
Something to think about.